Pickling is one of the easiest and tastiest ways to preserve your harvest. But not all veggies are created equal. Some pickle beautifully, while others, not so much. In this video, I'll share the 3 best vegetables to pickle, why they work so well, and how you can enjoy them year-round. Stick around to the end because I'll share my favorite quick pickle recipe you can try today. No surprise here, the classic cucumber tops the list. Cucumbers are the king of pickling because they stay crisp, soak up flavor, and are super versatile. You can make dill pickles, bread and butter pickles, or spicy garlic pickles. Plus, they process quickly in a water bath, making them beginner-friendly. The secret to great pickles? Always start with fresh, firm cucumbers. Second on the list is carrots. Carrots are naturally sweet and crunchy, which makes them incredible for pickling. They absorb brines beautifully and hold their texture. Whether you're doing a classic dill brine or something spicier with ginger and chili, pickled carrots are perfect for snacking, topping salads, or even adding to tacos. Bonus, they're packed with vitamins, so you get that healthy crunch all year long. Third on the list is green beans, also known as dilly beans. These are a homesteader favorite because they pickle firm, hold their snap, and pair amazingly well with garlic and dill. They're great for charcuterie boards, cocktails like Bloody Marys, or just straight out of the jar. If you've never tried dilly beans, you're missing out on one of the easiest and most delicious pickled veggies. Now here's that easy recipe I promised. For a quick pickle, all you need is equal parts vinegar and water, a tablespoon of salt, and your favorite spices, like garlic, dill, mustard seed, or chili flakes. Heat the brine, pour it over your veggies in a jar, let it cool, and refrigerate. In just 24 hours, you'll have crisp, flavorful pickles. No canning required. So there you have it. The 3 best vegetables to pickle: cucumbers, carrots,